In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Ads approved but not running. If your ad is marked approved but not getting any impressions, the issue can often be traced back to a setting that's limiting who can see it. We're going to walk through a simple review of your campaign's core settings to make sure your ad is eligible to serve broadly, and then I'll show you how to reach support if the problem persists. Start by opening your Google Ads account and signing in. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to Campaigns. This is where you can see every campaign and its current status. Click Campaigns to open the full list, and then click into the Campaigns area again to ensure you're viewing the details and not just the overview. This extra click makes sure you're in the right place to adjust settings that affect delivery. Find the specific campaign that's approved but not running. Next to that campaign, locate the gear icon, which is your settings icon, and click it. This takes you into the configuration that controls who can see your ads. Start with languages. Choose all languages. This doesn't translate your ad, it simply allows Google to show your ad to users whose browser or device language is set to anything, which prevents your ad from being blocked by a mismatch. If your target audience uses mixed language settings or travels, this is especially helpful. Confirm that all languages is selected. Now go to Locations and select all locations. This ensures your campaign isn't restricted to a very narrow or unintended area that's getting little to no traffic. Selecting all locations opens delivery globally and is a fast way to rule out location-based delivery issues. Keep in mind, broadening locations increases reach, so if you later want to refine where your ad appears, you can come back and narrow this down. For now, set it to all locations to test whether the campaign begins serving as expected. After updating languages and locations, make sure to save. Saving locks in the changes, and you should allow a little time for the system to update delivery. Often, you'll see impressions begin to appear once these constraints are removed. If you still have the problem after making these adjustments, contact customer support by clicking Help inside your Google Ads account. You'll find the Help option in the top navigation. From there, you can access guided troubleshooting or reach support directly. Briefly explain that your campaign is approved but not serving. Mention that you've set languages to all languages and locations to all locations, and ask them to review eligibility on their end. That's it. Follow these steps to get your approved ads running, and reach out to support if you need a deeper review.